Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best PVC deburring tool is probably one of the most underrated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned plumber or a weekend warrior tackling a home improvement project, this tool is essential for ensuring clean, professional-looking cuts on PVC pipes. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of PVC deburring tools, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. AFA Deburring Tool with 11 HSS Swivel Blades. This is the AFA Deburring Tool. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. The tool is perfect for various materials and applications. The tool features a swivel head with 11 high-speed steel blades. These blades are designed to conform to uneven shapes. An extra 10-pack of replacement blades are included. It works on metal, resin, PVC pipes, copper, plastic, and 3D printed edges. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is for you. The blades are made of tempered high-speed steel, making them sharp and wear-resistant. HSS steel lasts longer than regular steel, ensuring optimal performance. The tool has an ergonomic aluminum handle for a secure grip. It also includes quality machined parts and a secure case for extra blades. It's built to last. We offer a 1-year warranty on the deburring tool. If you have any issues, we'll replace it at no cost. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This tool boasts 11 heavy-duty S-blades, ensuring a clean cut every time. It works on various materials, from metal to plastic, making it versatile for any project. If you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast working with diverse materials, you'll appreciate the durability and versatility this tool offers. What people say. The tool worked perfectly for deburring the PVC pipe. The deburring tool is well designed and easy to use. It made clean cuts on the PVC pipe. Number 4. AFA Deburring Tool with 11 HSS Swivel Blades. This is the ultimate deburring tool. It features a swivel head and comes with 11 high-speed steel blades, making it perfect for various materials. The tool includes a swivel head for conforming to uneven shapes. It also comes with extra razor-sharp replacement blades. Additional packs are available for purchase. It works great on metal, resin, PVC pipes, copper, plastic, and 3D printed edges. This tool is perfect for plumbers, industrial professionals, machinists, and DIYers. The blades are made of tempered high-speed steel, making them sharp and resistant to wear. They last much longer than regular steel, ensuring great performance. It features an ergonomic aluminum handle for a secure grip. The tool is built to last and includes a secure case for the extra blades. All deburring tools are covered by a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, they will replace it for free. Contact them for any questions or concerns. What we like. Featuring 11 heavy-duty S-blades, this tool ensures a clean cut every time. It's designed for multiple materials, including metal, resin, and PVC pipes. If you are looking for a reliable deburring tool that can handle a variety of materials and provide a comfortable grip, this is the one for you. What people say. I am using this to clean up 3D prints and it is perfect. It is well made and very sharp. Design and style, very clean cuts perfectly made. Works great and comes with extra blades. Number 3. Deburring Tool Kit with Depth Gauge. This tool features 6 different sizes for measuring insertion depth. It's designed to work with most push-fit fittings and valves. This makes it an essential tool for both home handymen and professional plumbers. The red pipe Reamer tool is designed for both the inside and outside of pipes. It uses 6 metal blades to remove burrs. This tool is suitable for pipes up to 1 to 5/8 inches, and it works in both directions, making pipe installation easier. The measuring tool is made of strong plastic, ensuring it won't easily bend or deform. The main body of the Reamer is made of ABS, and the deburring blade is made of hardened alloy steel. This makes it ideal for reaming on various materials like copper, aluminum, and brass. Both tools are simple to operate. The measuring tool helps you easily measure the insertion depth when connecting a pipe. The deburring tool removes burrs by simply aligning the pipe with the blade and rotating it. This kit includes both a deburring tool and a depth measurement tool. It's compatible with various piping materials, making it versatile. This tool kit is suitable for domestic use, plumbing applications, or as a mechanic's tool in workshops. What we like. This kit includes a 6-in-1 depth gauge, making pipe insertion depth measurement easy. It also features an inner and outer reamer for comprehensive deburring. If you're a home handyman or plumber looking for a complete, easy-to-use tool kit, this one is perfect for your needs. What people say. The PX tool is also a depth gauge. It gave me a way to measure how far I needed to insert the shark fitting onto the pipe, especially the deburring tool, which if without and you get some burrs on the outside of the pipe would cut the O-ring of the shark fitting and leak. Much needed tool for doing plumbing. Ensures the correct depth. Number 2. Dreyoo Pipe Reamer Deburring Tool. Are you tired of struggling with pipe burrs? This tool makes it easy to clean up the ends of copper and plastic pipes. It helps you get better joints by removing burrs inside and outside. The metal casing ensures safety and provides a good feel in your hand. It won't deform easily during operation, helping you clear burrs faster. This tool features solid stainless steel reamers for both inside and outside. It's durable enough to handle PVC, copper, and even stainless steel pipes. This pipe reamer tool works with pipes from 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch. It's designed to handle a wide range of pipe sizes, including narrow ones. The bright green color makes it easy to spot. It's also compact, with a 2-inch diameter and 2.36 inch height, so it won't take up much space in your toolbox. What we like. This tool efficiently deburrs both the inside and outside of pipes, ensuring smooth joints. It features a robust metal casing for a secure grip and houses stainless steel reamers for durability. If you like a tool that is easy to handle and provides a clean finish, this is a great choice. What people say. I've used it a few times on copper pipe and also on PVC and clear PVC pipe, and it works well. The speed and efficiency of the chamfer is amazing. This is solid and sharp. Number 1. Reed DEB1 IPS Deburring Tool for Plastic Pipe. This tool is designed for deburring plastic pipes. It's a handy tool that makes your work easier and more efficient. This tool works with PVC, CPVC, PE, ABS, and PP pipes. It's versatile and can handle different types of plastic pipes. The DEB1 tool can accommodate 3 different pipe sizes. This feature makes it a convenient choice for various projects. The tool is specifically designed for 1/2 to 1 inch IPS pipes. It ensures a perfect fit and smooth finish. This tool creates a smooth, chamfered pipe end. The result is a clean and professional finish, making it an essential tool for any plumbing task. What we like. This deburring tool is designed for PVC, CPVC, PE, ABS, and PP pipes. It accommodates 3 different pipe sizes, making it versatile for various projects. If you're working with plastic pipes and need a tool that creates a smooth, chamfered end, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. Works great on PVC pipe. All I've used it for so far, but it put a nice bevel on the outer edges of the pipe. It cuts perfect bevels on the pipe, leaving clean edges for gluing. Works for any schedule so far, as I've tried both SCH40 and 80, and I'm sure this would work for SCH22 if you work on drip line sprinkler systems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.